How to improve WhatsApp video call quality. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be exploring to enhance your digital experience by focusing on practical tips to improve your video quality on WhatsApp. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of WhatsApp application on your mobile device. You can check that by going to the Play Store, click on the search bar, search for WhatsApp. And if you see an update button, something like this, highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Another thing you have to do is, you have to make sure that you have a strong and stable internet connection for your WhatsApp video calls. If you're using Wi-Fi, stay close to your router or consider getting a Wi-Fi extender. And if you're on mobile data, ensure that you have a good signal. Next thing you can do is open your WhatsApp, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, click on Settings. Scroll down to find the storage and data option that is below the notifications. Tap on it. Look for the option that says use less data for calls. If it's turned on, switch it off. And that's it. These tips will help you enhance the quality of your WhatsApp video calls. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.